In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a payment to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. You'll learn how to record a customer payment and make sure it's linked to the right invoice, so your accounts receivable, customer balances, and reports stay accurate. We'll start on the main dashboard. At the top left, open the plus new menu and choose Receive Payment. This form is designed specifically to attach money you've received to an existing invoice rather than creating a brand new sale. Begin by selecting the customer. Use the drop-down to pick the customer who sent the payment. QuickBooks will use this choice to pull up their open, unpaid invoices. Enter the payment date to reflect when you actually received the funds. Using the correct date helps your aging reports and cash reports line up with your bank activity. Type the amount you received and choose the payment method, such as credit card or check. If it's a check, add the check number in the reference or check # field. Details like these make it easier to research payments later and can speed up reconciliations. Now link the money to the right invoice. In the Outstanding Transactions section, you'll see a list of that customer's open invoices. Check the box next to the invoice you intend to pay. QuickBooks automatically applies the payment to the selected invoice total. If the customer paid less than the full amount, you can adjust the amount applied in the column so it reflects a partial payment. The remaining balance will stay open on the invoice until you receive the rest. If the payment covers more than one invoice, simply select each invoice it should cover until the total matches the payment amount. Before saving, choose where the money will be deposited. If you plan to combine several payments into a single bank deposit later, select Undeposited Funds. This keeps the individual payments grouped, so the deposit you create will match what appears on your bank statement. If this payment is going straight into a specific bank account and won't be batched with others, select that bank account instead. When everything looks right, select Save and Close to record the payment. The invoice status will update to paid or partially paid, and your customer balance will reflect the change. That's all there is to it. Accurate, clean, and ready for your next reconciliation.